Kialapono supports educational efforts to strengthen Native Hawaiian communities. In collaboration with the Hawaii Department of Education and charter school systems, Kialapono staff work to build a strong system of supports for keiki, educators, and ohana. Grounded in Hawaiian culture, Kialapono services are determined with school and complex area leadership to complement the existing programs and innovations already happening. Kialapono continuously innovates to meet the shifting educational context of the Department of Education, where over 87% of school-age Native Hawaiian children are enrolled. Keaukaha in the East Hawaii region is home to the Kumuola Project. This project is a cross-functional effort of Kialapono with the Kamehameha Schools Hawaii campus, Halau Kupu Kupu, Kamehameha Schools Asset Management, and other Kamehameha Schools support.
The program is really centered around managing the natural resources of this place and then building educational opportunities in line with that management. We really try to do that by working within all of the programs that KS helps to support, as well as a number of community collaborators.
In terms of the potential and the promise for this place, it's so humbling to think that something of tradition such as this place is now the vehicle and the venue in which students can actually make their thoughts and their processes and actually try and test them out. And that's kind of like what we do here is we look for those opportunities to engage the student in the science curriculum and then have them try and test out their theories, try and come up with ideas or solutions, much like how we had our activity here today with the kids.
In an effort to extend learning beyond the site, Kumuola also provides professional development to teachers as part of its service model.
Some of the outside collaborators that we work with outside of KS are certainly the Department of Education. We get to work with some amazing teachers. We work a lot with Keaukaha Elementary School, which is right down the road in Keaukaha Homesteads. We get to service the whole school, preschool through 6th grade. And what we do with those teachers is we develop Hawaiian-based curriculum, culturally based curriculum that uses an engineering component to help deliver a benchmark or a standard, so that it's not something extra on what the teachers already have to do. It's embedded within their daily work, and we use this place to ground the kids in something that's real. Whether it's a problem within their community or a particular natural resource management problem or cultural resource management problem that we're grappling with here. And so one example would be the California grass, which was introduced to this place and is slowly filling in the ponds. And the students that we had here today, 8th graders from Halau Kupu Kupu, designed a grapple hook to help to remove some of that grass. And those designs we'll try to put into reality and use those day in, day out to remove that grass. And so having those students come and put their mana'o and their ike into that problem and help us to figure that out, I think is really the embodiment of this program.
Because this project involves work with both keiki and kumu are able to extend the lessons from the local i'a in their schools, therefore expanding their teaching practices.
I think the potential is really limitless. We have groups like Hui Malama Local I'a, which is a group of Kia'i local or fish pond practitioners from the whole state. We got to host the annual Hui this year, so we had 100-something Kia'i here, which was just amazing to be fortunate enough to have all those great minds kind of coalesce and give us advice and be able to ask them questions and they're asking us questions. And so that collaboration has been really helpful for us.
There is strong promise for continued collaborations so that ike can be shared to further their learning and increase practices for the care of the land.
And you know, it's so rewarding when you see the kids outside of the pond or the lokoi'a, and they're excited to come to the pond, they're excited to come to their next visit, and they can't wait, and they have all these great aspirations of wanting to try out new things. And I think for me, that's the beauty of it. That's where our ability to engage with students that can take their kinesthetic motions and their thinking and actually apply them to this place here. So I'm excited for the future. I think that there's a great opportunity here for not just Kamehameha students, but students from the community and students from around the state.
While the Kumuola Project within Keaukaha is just one site that Kealapono serves, the future is bright with opportunity to support more educational efforts to strengthen Native Hawaiian communities.